She's not even 2 years old yet, but she's taller than me. Giraffes are the tallest mammals in the world. And their legs are so long it looks like they're on stilts. Now, you would think baby giraffes have a hard time of taking their first steps.
But when they're born in the wild, it only takes them half an hour before they're standing up, and they can walk from just a day old.
Which is incredible.
For some baby animals, just standing up can be tricky. First stop, Kenya in Africa. Look at these elephants. Aren't they magnificent? You see those big ears? That's how you know they're African elephants. African elephants have the biggest ears in the world. Elephants are great mums. They have really close families. An elephant family is a herd. Look, it's a newborn baby, an elephant calf. She's only a few minutes old. Incredible. She hasn't even stood up yet. It's hard standing up when you're as heavy as an elephant. So Mum's there to lend a helping hand. Or a trunk. Thanks, Mum. Time for a nice drink of milk. Yummy. She'll get milk from Mum until she's 3 years old. She's mastered standing. What about walking? Whoops, steady. There's a lot of elephant for a young one to control. I think she's getting the hang of it. All the grown-ups in the herd will help take care of this young calf. It's like living with your aunties all the time. Trouble is, a little knowledge can be a dangerous thing. Now she knows how to walk. She wants to explore. Careful. You mustn't leave the safety of the family. Because when the family gets ready to go, you have to go with them. Come on, you can do it. It's pretty tough being a newborn elephant, but Mum will always be on hand to help you get over life's stumbling blocks.